This is what you need to make your girl happy.
If hair grows there, Manscaped has a tool for it.
First and foremost, the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra.
The new Lawn Mower 5.0 is the best yet, and it's now accompanied by an upgraded trimmer blade and interchangeable foil blade.
Just put that dangerous razor away. Plus, it has all the same great features. Waterproof, travel lock, long battery life, 7,200 RPMs of clipping power, and a battery indicator.
From Manscaped, once again, a game changer, I would say. The Chairman Pro Electric Foil Shaver.
2 different guards. One if you want to keep a little bit of that stubble you got going on. If you want a closer shaving, you can pop on the 4-foil blade.
Team Manscaped have much more to offer than that. This handyman might not be the one for home improvements, but it can certainly take care of your facial hair. Plus, this thing is compact and great for travel.
The Dome Shaver Pro, very easy to use. And what's really important is it cuts my hair in half the time.
My heavily used beard hedger, which I absolutely cannot live without. Different length options on the scroll wheel here, and it gets it perfect every single time.
Meet the Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0 nose and ear hair trimmer. It's got SkinSafe technology also, and an upgraded steel blade system.
Get to buzzing, baby.